Hi, super readers. I was reading the book Get the Gag, and I noticed something kind of interesting when I went to sound out a word.
When I read the book, Get the Gag, I can tap out a lot of the words. G, et, get. The, which is a popcorn word, and then gag. G, a, g. I don't know what it means by gag anyway. I hope I learn when I read the book. I think a gag might be a word for a joke. Now, this word is a little tricky because when I go to tap it out, I notice something. S, a, m. Now, usually I would say some, but that doesn't make sense, does it? That's because our A and our M are what we called glued sounds. So when I see my A and my M together, I am going to tap the first sound as I usually do, and then I'm going to take my middle finger and my ring finger and tap them together to show a glued sound. S, am, Sam. Now I'm going to go back to my story. Sam got a gag for, there it is again, am, Pam. The tag said for Pam. As I read the book, I notice that Pam does not like all of the gags or silly things that Sam tries to give her. But I run into another problem while I'm reading these pages when I get all the way to page 9. Sam got a gag for, well, let me tap it out. D, a, n. Done. That doesn't really make sense. I see there's an ah. That's because A and N together are what we call a glued sound. So when I tap it out, I'm going to go D, and then my middle and ring finger will come together, an. D, an, Dan. All right, let's get ready to read. Sam got a gag for Dan. He put it in a, here we go again, an, pan, with a top. The tag said for Dan. I hope Dan likes these presents. I'll let you read Get the Gag on your own. It's attached to the email that I sent to your parents. Let's look some more at these glued sounds. A-N says an like in fan. A-M says am like in ham. And here's another one that you see a lot. All. I don't say ow. It's different. It's something I have to remember. It's all like in ball. And you got it. You're going to put 3 fingers together when you tap it out. Okay, Now it's time to practice. B-all, b-all, ball. M-all, m-all, mall. All, all, hall. All, all, fall. W-all, w-all, wall. Can you try tapping out these? Remember, for man, you're going to do 2 fingers, an, man. Let's practice this one. An, fan. Try this one. And this one. And this one. Okay, same thing for the am words. S, am, Sam. P, am, Pam. Try this word. And this word. Oh, this one has a digraph. It's a little tricky. Remember, WH as a digraph gets 1 tap. W, am, wham. Good job.
Don't forget these rules when you are spelling